So if you are an OG viewer here on SIMPLYTEETV, then you already know how much I love my Bobbi Boss lace wig looks. But today it's something different, something new that I haven't tried from Bobbi Boss. It is a wig from their Human Hair Blend series. I didn't even know they had these, so when I took a look at it, I was like, I definitely need to get my hands on one of these just to give it a try. So I purchased Antonia in this gorgeous fiery orange color, and I want to show it to you guys real quick. Ooh, yeah, I don't know if it's picking it up on the camera, but this is literal fire. She is a 13x7 lace frontal. It comes hand tied and it is made with HD lace. One thing that makes me a big fan of synthetic wigs is the fact that sometimes their lace comes out in a much nicer quality than some of the human hair wigs that I've purchased and tried. This one comes with a pre-plucked hairline. It is a glueless lace wig, so you can wear it with your favorite adhesive spray or glue or whatever you use, got to be gel, or you could just wear it on its own with a really nice meltdown with an elastic band and some mousse. This is a lot of parting space, and you know I'm a huge fan of that, so I know that it's going to allow me to achieve a variety of different looks. Now, it did say on the package that it's pre-plucked, but I'm gonna go ahead and pluck it just a little bit more. I like how the wig is constructed and styled and everything like that, but it's a little too bulky for my taste. So I'm gonna go ahead and pluck this off of camera, and I will meet you guys on the other side of the install. video. I am still taking it all in. I'm still, you know, catching the vibe. I'm kind of short, so I can't get everything all in the camera, but I did want to show you guys how beautifully red the ends of this wig was. Let's go ahead and get into some of my thoughts about this wig. Okay, I got this human hair blend wig in the color TF Sunset Orange. It looks, I think, maybe a little bit darker in person, but it's picking up as like neon orange on the camera, so that's pretty interesting. I don't hate it. This is my first time trying something like this, but I like it so far. As you can see, when I first tried it on, it was still a little bulky on the front of the wig, so I went ahead and plucked it a little bit more to my liking off camera before the install. And it did come with an elastic band, but it's a little loose for my particular cap size and head shape, so I'm glad I was able to spray it down just a little bit. And the elastic band actually comes up right behind the ear, so I had to tuck it right back here a little bit. But if you're somebody that is looking for a bigger cap size or a looser fit elastic band for your glueless wig wear, that is still an option for you. I love the fact that this is a free parting lace wig. I love that it is an ear-to-ear lace from here to here, and the free parting goes all the way to the back. I like the color styling. I really do like the color styling, even though I'm still getting used to it. And I like the fact that they made sure to keep the roots a little bit darker than the hair. But I do love this fire, literal fire, like flame colored wig. Now this is a human hair blend wig, so it's supposed to be very heat safe. It says so on the packaging. It doesn't say up to what degrees, but you know I had to test it out. I did put my hot comb to the hairline when I was plucking it, and I did use my hot comb a couple more times through the wig install process, and I don't notice any melty, plasticky smells or anything like that. So I guess that's one huge benefit of it being a human hair blend or heat safe wig. I will say that I do like that, even though I'm treating it pretty delicate, that it's not tangling like that for me. It's not really tangling. I am kind of brushing through it because it is a longer wig. This is easily 26 inches long, I'm pretty sure. Between 24 to 26 inches long. It's pretty long, but no complaints from me. Other than that, yeah, I just keep kind of staring for a minute because it's like, whoa, did I really try this? Yes, I did, and I like it a lot. But of course, you know, I'm going to keep it 100 with you guys at all times. I spent my coin, and I want to see if it's something that I would recommend you spending your coin on. I don't really have a lot of cons per se. Do wish that it was a little bit fuller. The length is great. The color is great. But for something this, you know, pow pow, shabam, boom bop, I was just hoping that I could get a little more body yaddy yaddy with it. I did kind of pull it forward to kind of show off the layering and the waviness of it. That's what I really like about it. But other than that, it's kind of coming up limp. I just wanted a couple more tracks. It's a lot of tracks in here, but it just is a little too thin for me. Aside from the volume, I did not get a lot of tangling when I was brushing through the wig while I was styling it and plucking it, but I did get a lot of shedding with this wig. I don't know if you can see all the hairs in my detangling brush, but through the plucking process, you're going to get some shedding. You're plucking hair out, so that's normal. But I had a big ball of hair when I was done with the plucking process, and another 2 big balls of hair after I brush the wig out. So those are the things I would definitely tell you to keep an eye out for when you go to purchase this wig. I know for a fact that this would look super cute in black. So if you're not willing or ready to take a walk on the wild side or this side just yet, go ahead and check this wig out for yourself. I'm going to leave the link where I found it and where you can check it out as well. But yeah, is it worth the coin? You know what? I wanted to do something fun. I wanted to try something different. So I say yes, it was worth the coin. But y'all, I'm having fun with this hair. I'm going to keep testing it out. Of course, guys, thank you for always clicking play. Thank you for stopping by my channel. And if you got some time, stick around and watch a couple more videos on my playlist right here. Of course, I will meet you right here, same place, next time. Peace out.